Let us understand how to extract day, month and year from date in Excel. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow key for selection and copy the same. Now paste the same in all three columns. Select the day column entries and press right-click on mouse for options. Click on Format Cells and dialog window will get open. Click on Custom and in Type, enter DDDD. Press OK button. Day name will appear as per date. Repeat same steps for month column and in Format Cell dialog window select Custom. In Type, enter MMMM. Repeat same steps for year column and in Format Cell dialog window select Custom. In Type, enter YYYY. Now you have extracted the day, month and year from date.